Bleh. Here I am again with another breakfast special. So this one's similar to what I did last time, except instead of putting it all into a burrito, I'm just going to have it mixed together in like a bowl, kind of like those hash brown bowls that Waffle House has. So yeah, pretty easy, not hard to do. So I'll go ahead and get started by shredding up these potatoes. So I decided to try out some fresh potatoes this time, so we'll see how that turns out. My potato. I made a mess, but it's cooking time. So let's go ahead and get out our pan. Once again, I'll get out my trusty coconut oil, because that's what works great. Works greatest. Or you can use butter or olive oil or whatever, it doesn't matter. So, I'm actually out of spoons, so now I get to do this the hard way. That's good enough, I think. One thing to note is that when you grate these fresh, there's a lot of water that collects at the bottom, so you gotta dump it out first. Otherwise, it'll be fun when you pour that into hot oil. Now we are ready. I hope this pan's big enough. Sure, there's a better way to cook this to make it not look so ugly, but I guess that's as good as it's gonna get with fresh potatoes since they get kind of mushy when you cook them. But that is complete. We can now move on to egg. So actually, before I do the eggs, I thought I could go ahead and get the sausages started in the oven, because those will be easy. So I'll just, what the heck? Just gotta line these up. The instructions say that we're supposed to put them on a pan and cook them that way, but I don't feel like doing that. So I will just put them in the oven. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and put these in for 10 minutes and then flip them over. So as usual, we will take our butter to give it a little bit of oil on the bottom. While the stove's heating up, we'll go ahead and put our mix together. So we'll put a little bit of milk in here. I'm just kind of guessing. And just some average stuff, so seasoned salt, you know. And now is the perfect time to just dump it right in. At this point, it's just like cooking eggs like normal, so. spicy. Ugh. They smell pretty good already. These look barely done on this side, so I'll probably have to flip them again later. So that's what happens when there's no instructions for making them in the oven. So yeah. So I was right, I had to put them in for a little bit longer so that they could finish cooking. But that is technically everything for these. So now, so we now have our sausage, eggs, and our hash browns. So all that's left is we just kind of crumble up the sausage and then mix everything together in a bowl. And then we top it with cheese and some salsa, and then we're good from there. So enjoy.